Hello crafty friends, it's Shana from ShanoukiArt. Welcome to my new series called My Big Fat Pink Journal. This video is an introduction to the series to explain what I will be doing and what I will be sharing with you here on YouTube. And it's all absolutely free. While I'm introducing the series, you will see me creating my Big Fat Pink Journal. This specific video is not about how I created this journal. It's more to explain how I will be filling it and sharing that with you. If you would like to see how I create my junk journals, I will link the How to Make a Junk Journal tutorial in the description box below. My Big Fat Pink Journal includes all types of papers, so it covers all bases and allows for everyone to follow along, no matter how you like to create your journals. I have a digital printed kit, I have scrapbook paper, coffee stain paper, and junky junk. I recently did a poll on my YouTube and my Facebook, asking people if they saw themselves as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced junk journaler. The vast majority of replies were beginner or total beginner. A lot of people commented they didn't even know where to start when it came to decorating their junk journal. So I thought to create this series to give you bite-sized tutorials to help you and guide you and give you inspiration. Each episode in my series will give you a different way or idea to decorate or fill your page. Things like a simple plain pocket and tags that go inside that pocket, belly bands, snippet strips, how to fill your centerfold, layered embellishments, mixed media, to name but a few. I was going to call this series 101 Ways to Decorate Your Journal, and I actually have 101 ideas to share with you. I wanted this series to be sort of a one-stop shop if you're looking for inspiration to decorate your junk journal pages. Starting on Tuesday, the 5th of November, 2024, the first episode in the series will be uploaded to my YouTube channel. I do have a playlist called My Big Fat Pink Journal, where all the episodes will be saved for your easy reference. The episodes will drop every Tuesday for the foreseeable future at 11 p.m. Melbourne time, which is 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, I know there are thousands and thousands of videos out there showing ways to decorate your junk journal pages. There is no right and wrong way. Everyone has their own style and their own technique. My videos will obviously show my style and my technique. Some will love it, some won't. It's all personal preference. If you're even slightly inspired, that'll make me very happy. The episodes are for everyone, but mainly I'm trying to target the beginner junk journaler. For those who are not sure how to decorate a page, how to even make a pocket. I will take you step by step through the process so you too can make beautiful journals. Using what you already have in your craft room, we're going to create some special things like a specimen window, layered pocket, hidden paper clips. Your journal will be a treasure trove of fun paper craft items. All the episodes are pre-recorded and available always. Well, as long as YouTube is around. So you can pick and choose which episodes you want to watch. You can re-watch them multiple times. You can work at your own pace. The videos will be in my regular style. It will be sped up with a voiceover, but of course you can pause it at any time, and I always explain my thought process. Some things will be totally out of your comfort zone, and they may seem scary at first, but I encourage you to give them a go. Remember that paper craft is not so much about the destination, it's more about the journey. Let's not worry so much about what the journal will look like at the end. Let's enjoy each page and the process of creating it. I do have a predetermined list of things that I'm going to create for these tutorials, but if there's something specific that you'd like to see, you're always welcome to comment, and I'll do my best to fulfill your request. I also encourage questions. I do read all comments and I will reply to the best of my knowledge. I will share tips and tricks and things that I have learned along the way through trial and error. So join me every Tuesday for some ShanoukiArt style creative journal page decorating. You will eventually develop your own style and way of creating things. My series is just a starting point and a guidance to get you started. Thanks again for watching. Happy creating. I'll see you on Tuesday. Bye.